Graduation picture namin nung kinder, ako yung nasa hulihan. Hindi dahil maliit ako, kundi dahil nag-start sa R ang surname ko. Pabirong sinabi sa akin ng teacher ko na kung gusto ko daw mapunta sa unahan, mag-asawa ka ng may apelidong A. Simula nun, feeling ko yung lalaking nakatakda para sa akin ay ganon. Plus, gusto ko naturally talented, lalo na sa pagtugtog ng gitara.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait a million more
Kung
for
may
you.
sabi man sa akin noon na yung simpleng babae na nakita ko lang sa corridor o sa waiting area, magiging asawa ko pala. Malamang sa malamang, hindi rin talaga ako maniniwala. We started as friends. Pero habang tumatagal, ikaw na yung hinahanap ko sa araw-araw.
Parang naiiyak ka na.
Hindi pa! Wala pa!
If I had only felt the warmth within your touch.
Ikaw, best man, oh, Neil. Hey! Best man,
If I had only seen how you smile when you blush.
Practice lang ba yun? Sayang kaya na matulog na.
Concentrate enough, I would've known what I was living for all along. What I've been living for.
Hindi ko masasabing biro lang ng tadhana kung nasaan tayo ngayon. Standing here today, kaharap ko yung lalaking mahal ko. Ang lalaking apelido ay nagsisimula nga sa A at totoong napakahusay maggitara.
Ken and Anne, you are marrying because you enjoy each other's company. You are marrying because you can be more trusting of life as life mates. Keep this understanding fresh and alive in days ahead. Be joyful to your family.
Dumaan tayo sa panahon na pareho tayong sugatan. Ako na nabasted. At ikaw na hindi gusto ng taong gusto mo. Pareho nating alam kung ano yung pakaramdam ng nasaktan. Pero ikaw rin pala yung magiging dahilan kung bakit ako maniniwala ulit sa love.
Suddenly goes away some.
John Kennedy, I take you, match to my intellect, proponent of my happiness, friend of my heart, to be my life mate.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000
Naiyak na!
years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of
Love is universal, but with you, it has become unique.
every hour has come to this one step
Hey, lower! Hey!
closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought you heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
I love you more than yesterday and never more than tomorrow. My best friend, my husband, my life mate.
One step closer.
Ikaw ang pinakamagandang yes sa buhay ko. At simula noon hanggang ngayon at sa dulo ng walang hanggan, ikaw at ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Mahal na mahal kita.